Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to share with you my high-end favorites in makeup. These are high-end for me. They might not be high-end for you, but I have purchased them all at Sephora, so they are not drugstore makeup brands. So I don't have too many, since I do like a lot of the makeup that comes from drugstore, and I like the price that comes from drugstore. So, but there are a few that I use whenever I put makeup on. Most of them are my go-to. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with a primer, and the one primer that I like to use is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I don't use this every time I put on makeup, but I like using it when I feel that my face is very dry and almost like thirsty looking. I will use this primer. I am almost out of it, so I will most likely be repurchasing this one. For eyeshadow primer, I mean, most people do like this one. It's the Urban Decay, and it's the eyeshadow primer potion, the original. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it does go a long way, and it does make your eyeshadow last for pretty much almost the whole day. For my face, I currently don't have a foundation that I use that's from from Sephora, that's high end, but I do like the It Cosmetics CC cream, and this is the illuminating one, and it has SPF 50. I am almost out of it, but I will be repurchasing for the summer, but not this one. I will be purchasing it's the gray packaging. I think it's a matte. It's not illuminating. So, but I do like this one because my skin is fairly dry and it gives me that natural glow. I also use by It Cosmetics by Under Eye Illumination. Again, it is illuminating. I do like this product. I'm just not sure whether I love the illumination under my eyes, so if I repurchase this, I will probably purchase the regular one, not this one. And it is the one thing that's great about this one, it's full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. So it's definitely a great concealer for the summertime if you're going to be sweating or even going for a swim. And for concealer, I like the Naked Skin Urban Decay. I flip-flop between this one and another drugstore brand, but this is definitely one of my favorites from Sephora. I don't put too much, if I'm putting foundation on, I don't need to put too much concealer on, but sometimes I will just use a concealer on its own. For lips, I don't have a favorite lipstick from a high-end, but I cannot say enough about this product. It's the Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. It is the best thing for my lips that I have ever owned, and I have repurchased several times, and I will be repurchasing this. And this is great for summer, winter. My lips are never dry when I'm using this. For my highlighter and blush and bronzer, I love this Too Faced Natural Face. It is a palette, and so you've got your highlighters, you got your blush, and then you got your bronzers. This is my go-to almost every single time I apply makeup, for bronzer and for highlighter for sure. Occasionally I will use the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit, just because it gives me 4 different colors that I can choose from. And I like packing these 2 with me whenever I travel, just because it gives me a pretty good variety of different shades. The 2 palettes that I love that are high-end, I own others and I do reach for them, but these are the 2 that I reach the most. So most of the time I go with the Chocolate Bar by Too Faced. Just the more natural colors. And then, so this is my go-to most of the time. Right now I am wearing the White Peach by Too Faced, and I do love using this one in spring and summer just because the colors are more spring and summer like, and just something lighter on my eyes. So this is a great small palette as well for travel if you're looking for that. And the last thing that I like using from Sephora, this was a sample that I got, and I will for sure, once it's gone, be repurchasing. It is the Laura Mercier Amethyst Caviar Stick Eye Color. So just so you see what it looks like, it's so smooth and comfortable wearing, and it's very like almost feels like it's hydrating. So I love this if I just want one color, and sometimes I'll go a little heavier in the creases just to give it that two-tone effect. So this is definitely something that I will be repurchasing. So I think that's it. Like I said, I don't have too many, but I have the basics. I currently don't have a mascara that I like or an eyeliner that I like. I'm not saying I haven't used all the ones that Sephora carries. It's just I haven't found one yet that I like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. Stick around. I do lifestyle, sometimes makeup videos, a few times a month, so most of the time they're on Thursdays. So if this is something you enjoy watching, make sure to subscribe, press that notification button so you know when I post these type of videos. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.